Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2019 Ford F-150 XLT in Blue Jean Blue. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Only 8,000 miles on the odometer. 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, trailer brake control, split folding rear seats, 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8001A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.